welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my August Premium Boxycharm box here. This is the $35 a month box. So I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of it, telling you guys what I think of the products that I received, and telling you guys ultimately whether or not I thought this month's box was worth it. But let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So I did go ahead and take a sneak peek just to try on any of the makeup products beforehand just to save time. So here is the card this month. It's the same as my base box. It's just the Boxycharm Go All Out card here. And then of course on the back is of course the products and the prices. So honestly guys, this month's box does not have much makeup at all. But I'll just show you guys each and every product, then I'll tell you guys my thoughts at the end. Alright, so first up from L-A-R-U, I don't know how to say that, Roos. These are the face discs is what they call it. It's basically makeup like removers, like you put your products on these little things and then you remove your makeup instead of like using wipes or cotton rounds. I believe that's the only thing this is used for, is just to remove makeup. But these are pretty nice size. Like it comes with 3 of them. So there's a gray one and then a black one. This one doesn't, like, the fiber's not as long, whereas these are, the fiber's pretty long on them. They feel very soft, and honestly, I'm not mad about getting these. These retail for $24. My only complaint is this is not the first time I've received a product like this in my box before. Like, I believe this is like the 3rd set of these that I've received. Like, not this exact one, but I've received other ones, like smaller ones. So I don't mind getting these, but honestly, I mean, I don't need 3 sets of these. But if you haven't received this in your box before, I think this is great to get. I probably will end up keeping these and getting rid of the other ones that I've received because these are bigger and the other ones were like way smaller. So I like the bigger ones, so that's not bad. All right, then I have something in here from Grown Alchemist. This is the Age Repair Gel something. Gel, I guess it is. Age Repair Gel. It's just what it says on here. So this retails for $79. Wow. It's an Age Repair Gel mask. Yeah, it's a mask. So this is a mask. I've received several things from this in Boxycharm before, like this brand, Grown Alchemist. Their stuff, like their packaging always reminds me of like paint tubes or something, because it's like metal. I don't know, that's just what it reminds me of. I'm like, oh, it looks like paint. Anyways, this is a pretty expensive product here, $79. Would never pay that for this mask, but I'm glad to have it. And then I have another skincare product. Like I said, there's like, spoiler alert, there's only like 1 makeup product in here that I classify as makeup. The other product I wouldn't classify as makeup. But anyways, so next up from Earth Harbor is the Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. And this retails for $24, which is pretty cheap, honestly. I was expecting it to be more, considering it's like in a glass bottle. Like this is a glass bottle. $24 is not too bad. So that's pretty neat to get. I'm not really for sure what a cleansing oil does. I guess it's kind of like a makeup remover in a way, or just like, so you basically use this to clean your face. That's kind of interesting. I've never had a cleansing oil before, so I'm excited to try this out, actually. Like I said, $24 is not that bad for skincare. Alright, and then I have something from OC, I think is how you say it. It's a Sea Minerals Mist, which is interesting. I've never heard of a sea mineral mist, but it comes in this very, very nice glass bottle, kind of frosted glass. I love getting glass bottles. I just think it makes it feel more bougier. This retails for $38, so yeah, this one's more pricey, but it is a really nice looking bottle. I really like the color of the green. Alright, and then the last 2 products are the products that I actually was able to customize. So first up is from Fenty Beauty, And this is the What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. So this product I wouldn't really consider makeup because, I don't know, for me personally, I don't consider like primers and like setting sprays makeup. It's just, I don't know, like, just for me personally, I don't classify that as really makeup. But anyways, so this retails for $30. I mean, it's a nice, I mean, I'm glad to have it. It's in a plastic bottle. I really wish this was glass, but it's plastic, so it looks like frosted glass, but it's not. It's plastic. And I did use this today, and it smells really good, and the mister is pretty, like, fine. Like, it's a pretty fine mist. So I do like this. Phew, I got some in my mouth. It's very fragrance, like it's fragrance heavy, but it doesn't last like long. But it smells like, to me, it smells like a perfume, so I like the smell of it. But if you're like fragrance sensitive, you may not like this. Man, I'm still tasting it. Anyways, so I'm not mad about getting this. It's just, I don't know, compared to the rest of my box, I'm like, oh, face mist, yay. You know, added on to all the skincare I'm already getting. And then last but not least is, of course, the other product that I customize. And this is from Visca. I'm probably saying that wrong. And this is a soft matte bronzing powder. And I chose the shade Kissed by Serentine. You get to pick the shade. And I picked this one because, let me show you. Because I was worried it was going to be too light for me if I went with the lightest. I think this was like the shade above light. And it works just fine. I did use this today and actually really, really like this bronzer. I did find that I had to go in pretty light-handed or else it could get too dark on me. But I do really like how it looks. And it blended out really well, very pigmented. Definitely go in light-handed if you got this product. I will say the packaging is like, I don't know, it's not bad, it's just not, feels a little bit cheap, but not horrible. So this retails for $30. So that's my whole box. So let me tally up everything that I got in my box to tell you guys the overall value, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $225, which is pretty good, you know, considering I only paid $35. So let me go through everything real quick. So, honestly, I feel like this month's box is really, really too heavy on the skincare for me. I like makeup. I mean, I don't mind getting a little bit of skincare in my box, but predominantly I love the makeup part of this box, and I feel like this month's box is just way too heavy on skincare. So let me go through everything one more time. I don't mind getting these, like I said. I think these are great to have, and I don't mind getting them. But like I said, this is like the third set that I've gotten, at least in this year, from Boxycharm. They put these in my boxes quite frequently now. So I hope this is the last time I get something like this. But like I said, it's great to have these. I just don't need, 9 of them, because that's how many I have right now. Not a bad price for them. I do think they're pretty good quality. So I'm not mad about getting them. I just, like I said, I just feel like I got a lot of non-makeup products. The products that I did get, like skincare wise, I really don't like masks. I've said that a lot of times. I don't really care for getting masks. I'll use them, but I don't really like using masks. It's just not something I use in my skincare routine. I'm actually pretty curious about this cleansing oil. I'm kind of excited to try this out. I like the sound of it. And I'm not really sure what sea mist or sea mineral mist is for. Like, what does that do? I guess it's supposed to kind of like tone your skin. I don't know. Not bad to get. Just, like I said, the real issue that I'm having this month is just, where's the makeup? Where's the makeup, Boxycharm? The Fenty spray is really nice to have again, but like, where's the makeup? And then the one makeup product I did like, but I mean, I feel like this was a skincare box this month with a little bit of makeup. So, do I think it's worth it? Honestly, no, not for this month. I don't think it was worth it this month because if I went to TJ Maxx or something, I know I would compare it to going to TJ Maxx, but like if I went into TJ Maxx and I saw these products there, I honestly would probably not pick up any of them. Maybe the bronzer, but I paid $35 for this box, and this bronzer cost $30, so I paid more for what I would actually, you know, if I were to go in store and pay for just this bronzer. I paid $5 more for the box then. So normally I would always be like, oh, if I use at least 3 of the products in the box, it's worth it for me. But honestly, just the only products that I might pick up is this bronzer, and it's only $30. So I honestly probably wouldn't have never picked up this Fenty one just because setting sprays are really not my... I don't know, I don't just go out and just buy every setting spray I find. I just use drugstore ones, honestly. I've only ever bought drugstores. All the other setting sprays I've had are usually from my boxes. Like I said, these skincare products I'm glad to have. It's just I wouldn't go out and buy them if I just saw them out in store. I'm not picky about skincare. I will buy the cheap stuff. So yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think of this box? Do you agree with me? I feel like there should have definitely been a palette in this month's box. I feel like this month's box was just kind of like throw in whatever leftover skincare we kind of have this month because, yeah, it's just way too heavy on the skincare. But, again, that's just me. That's just my personal preference. I love makeup, so I want more makeup. But someone may really love skincare, and if you do, I think this month's box is definitely worth for you because it's definitely getting a lot of skincare. Alright, my rant's done. I'm done ranting. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel here. And also, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get Boxy Premium? Was it the same box as mine, or did you get something completely different? Let me know down in the comments. I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!